8-bit versus 10-bit in 360 VR. What exactly do they mean? In this video, we will find out why 10-bit color depth is better, isn't it, than 8-bit. We will use the brand new Insta360 Titan as an example, but the same principle applies on any 10-bit capable VR camera. Do you need 10-bit? Let's find out. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Hugh here from Creator Up. So right now, 8-bit is everywhere. On the internet, on your phone, on your TV, except HDR TV, which is a thing now. They are all 8-bit, including your VR headset for now. So why you need to spend $15,000 on the Titan instead of just your 1X right here, the most reviewed 360 camera on the market, which only costs $400? Well, let's step back and go to the regular video world. Boring! And really understand some technical camera lingo. Bit depth or color depth. Bit depth refers to color information stored in an image. The higher the bit depth of an image, the more colors it can store. You can have 256 shades of red, blue, and green in an 8-bit image, but for a 10-bit video, you can have 1024 shapes. It's a huge difference, especially you intend on using the logarithmic mode, aka iLog, for the Insta360 camera. If you are coming from a photography world, just think about 8-bit as your JPEG and 10-bit as your RAW photo. You cannot do much in Lightroom with JPEG, but with RAW, you can really express your creativity on your photography. If you just shoot and post directly onto YouTube or Instagram without any post-processing, then no, you don't need Titan. Your Pro 2 or your 1X is more than enough. Well, I hope you are not that guy. If you follow my channel, you want to create better 360 content, and post-production is unavoidable. You can still follow everything I do here with the 8-bit camera like the Insta360 Pro 2, Canon Obsidian, Zcam S1 Pro, or even the very expensive Zcam V1 Pro or Google E Halo. But to avoid the common problem in grading called banding, you will need a 10-bit camera. In fact, upgrading the bit depth is the best way to capture the highest quality video, including bump to dynamic range and color rendering. Let me explain. Assuming your camera has 13 stops of dynamic range using a Red 709 regular mode, which only has 5 to 6 stops, the 8-bit color spread across that does not utilize the sensor's entire dynamic range. We use lock mode in order to get every stop out of your camera sensor into a limited space. But you are using 8-bit to record all this information, which need to be stretched back out in post-production, which create banding. It's easier to just show you. Before showing you the banding issue, let's address the elephant in the room. The biggest concern many people on the Facebook group have, is Titan really 10-bit? Well, let's take a look. So right here, we have the Insta360 Pro 2 footage. Here is the original RAW file. Let's right-click that, open that in Media Info. And the Pro 2 record 120 megabits per second. It's actually pretty high already. But let's open here, pick 3. So scroll down to take a look at the detail of the video. So the Pro 2 using AVC, Advanced Video Codecs Compression, which is H.264. And what I really want you to pay attention is right here, the bit depth is 8 bits. Now let's look at the Titan, which capture at the same time. Titan have 8 lenses, so we have 8 different video file. Let's take a look at lens number 1. Again, open Media Info. And in here we see that Titan is 180 megabit per second. It's in a way higher bit rate. Let's again open that, scroll down to the detail of the video tag, and you see the compression format is HEVC, High Efficiency Video Codecs, or other known as H.265. If you scroll down again, in here, the bit depth is 10 bits. So there you go, it's 10-bit video. While you edit, pay attention to the chroma subsampling is 420. We'll come back to that later in the video. Now we are in Premiere and imported the Pro 2 and the Titan footage. These two footage are shot at the exact same time and same environment. The Pro 2 can easily sit on top of the Titan and it wouldn't even be in the frame, as Titan is so much bigger than the Pro 2. Both are shot in log mode to max out the camera sensor dynamic range, as you just learned. We have lumetri scope on the left to help you see the problem. And now I'll go ahead and do a standard color grade. In lumetri color, I would just go ahead and import the Pro 2 iLog provided by Insta360. You still don't see any banding, maybe a little bit right here in the mid-range. To help you to see the banding, I'm gonna do some dramatic color grading right here. I open tone, and right here on the contrast, I'm gonna max out the contrast. So now I really stretch out the scope, and as you see, by stretching it out, you see right here, you see banding right here. You can also see it right here. Now even go crazier. If I scroll down and turn on the curve adjustment, and I have pretty crazy curve, and now you see all the banding right here, and you see the image, the dark is really dark and the white is really white, and we're losing a lot of information in the image. Now we go ahead and do the same thing. We copy the lumetri color panel right here effect, and we go ahead and hide the Insta360 Pro 2 footage, show the Titan footage right here, and go ahead and paste on the lumetri color with the same log profile with 150 contrast added on the original profile. Let me just reset that. Go ahead and increase the contrast. Still, there's not much banding. Here, you see some banding on the highlight area, but there's not much banding you see compared to the Pro 2. And now, go ahead and activate the curves. Pay attention on the 2. You see that is the Titan. That is the Pro 2. You see banding is spread out in the entire color scope. And in the Titan, it's not really noticeable. You can still push crazy like this. If you jump to the actually check out the shadow area, you can see a lot more detail in the grass area. In the tree area, you can still see the detail of the tree. So on the term of dynamic range, and here is the lens that's facing the sun. And here I also add some really crazy dramatic color grading right here to stretch out the highlight, as you see. Right now we're looking at the Pro 2, as you see a lot of banding right here. And pay attention to the image quality. It's white directed to dark blue. But if you turn on the same color grading but on the Titan, you see the banding is a lot less noticeable. You can actually see a smooth transition from the white to light blue, then to dark blue in the actual image. Again, you would never try to color grade like that. This is a day and night color grading. But if you compare the Titan and the Pro 2, the Pro 2 lost a lot of transitional color compared to the Titan. As you see right here, the transitional on the sky is very smooth. You can really still recover the highlight from the sky. Another thing I want you to pay attention to, which is nothing to do with the bit depth of the camera, is flare. In the Pro 2, we still have a common problem called the red dot of death caused by the fisheye lens. And that is a lot less noticeable and actually not even there on the Titan because Insta360 using a bigger and nicer fisheye lens. As you see, you can recover color from the sky way easier in 10-bit as well. I hope by now you understand the difference between 8-bit and 10-bit. To grade 8-bit footage, you can actually add noise to hide those banding. That's how the camera manufacturer is doing it now with their smart highlight recovery color profile. They are not true HDR. Well, talking about HDR, which makes things more complicated. Most of the stuff you hear from other YouTube 1x reviewer about HDR is wrong. 8-bit color depth cannot produce true HDR. If you flat out your 360 video and submit to Netflix for HDR, if you're not passed, your flat out video will not meet the HDR display standard and the color will not look more vivid than as the traditional video. Probably noisier though. But if Titan claims to have HDR, that is totally another story. We just don't have the headset to watch HDR content yet. You will wish Titan has 422 instead of 420. But unfortunately, in my pre-production beta unit, the color subsampling is still only 420, which is not a big deal at all, guys. I'm just nitpicking Insta360. You probably cannot even tell the difference. If you don't know what is color sampling, well, watch the next Titan review tutorial. Thank you again to stay with me until the end. I know this review is a bit technical, but it's worth to understand. It gives you a reason why you should or should not get the Titan. It is a fantastic beast and it's worth every penny you spend on it. And now you know why. I want to make a disclaimer before I end this video. None of my video is sponsored like other YouTubers and I bought my Titan. I did not get it for free. I intend to use it to create some amazing content for you guys so I can speak freely. Also, I am crowdsourcing your feedback in my comment below. If you pre-order the camera or you are interested in buying it, comment below and give me your feedback so I can submit my list to Insta so they can give you a better production unit when they are ready to ship. So it's in your benefit to comment, ask questions, and interact with others in the Creator Up community. Again, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for new review episode of the Insta360 Titan. We are going to go deep in post-production, workflow, management, and even building a new PC to handle high bitrate footage from the Titan. If you want to save some money on building your 360 studio, smash that like button and I will see you in the next video.